Hey everyone, this is Josh Galvin with Tizish.com. On this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clean up your WordPress posting panels to make it easier with all your options you have here. So here's what I mean. In your posting panel, when you're creating new blog posts in WordPress, you have all these other options down here. You have the plugins that you may have installed. You have all the default WordPress items. Basically, you have maybe stuff that's installed with your custom theme. You have all these options here, right? All these different ones. And if you want to clean them up, meaning you want them to, you want to just remove some from your view for whatever reason, well, all you got to do is the following. In the right side of your post, there's an option that says Screen Options. Click on that drop down, and then you have all these things checked off. Look at the names of each, and then scroll down and look at the names of each. So let's say, for instance, if you want to remove the one called, JavaScript right here, right? Well, here's what you would do. You scroll up, you're going to find the one called JavaScript, there it is, and uncheck it. And now after unchecking it, let's scroll down and you're going to see that it's gone. There is no more one called JavaScript. So that's how you remove them. Now one more thing. You see here where it says number of columns? Well, when I click on one column, you notice how this whole thing gets full width. It's just one column, as you see. Alright, well now the question becomes, where's the button to hit publish and all that stuff? Well, that's at the very bottom. If you scroll down, you'll notice publish is now at the very bottom, and so is categories, and so is tags. Everything on the right column is now at the very bottom. And you can move these if you want. Let's say you want to drag this to the top, you could drag it to the top and so forth. Alright? But now, here's one more thing to keep in mind. What happens after you hit one column, and when you go back to two columns, notice how the right side doesn't fill back up. Your right side is now blank. So what you have to do, if you do that, is scroll down and drag your buttons back up. So we're going to drag our publish button back up, and we're going to do the same for all our others. So we put our publish box right back where it belongs, and then now let's go put our other ones back. We have our categories. We're going to put our categories back, and then our tags, of course. So we put our categories box right back, and then let's go put our tag box. And I think you get the point. So now that this is pretty much everything you have to do to modify your WordPress posting panel. All right, so we put this back up, and now that's pretty much everything. So those are your options. You don't have to do any of this. This is just your options if you happen to want to be doing that stuff. All right. Well, that's everything. If you have any questions, go to facebook.com/Tizish and ask me there. Alrighty. Well, good luck and take care.